Hey guys, today we're comparing Claude AI and ChatGPT to find out which AI assistant is the better choice in 2026. We'll cover their features, strengths, and who each one is best for. So, let's get started. Let's begin with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most widely used AI assistants in the world. It can help you write articles, emails, YouTube scripts, social media posts, and even generate images. It's also great for coding, debugging programs, solving math problems, translating languages, and explaining complex topics in a simple way. One of ChatGPT's biggest advantages is its versatility. Besides text generation, it can analyze files, create charts, help with research, brainstorm ideas, and assist with productivity tasks. Whether you're a student, programmer, marketer, or content creator, ChatGPT offers tools for almost every workflow. Another reason many people choose ChatGPT is its ease of use. The interface is simple, responses are usually fast, and new features are added regularly. Both free and paid plans are available, with the paid version providing access to more advanced AI models and higher usage limits. Now, let's talk about Claude AI. Claude AI is another powerful AI assistant that focuses heavily on writing quality and document analysis. It's especially popular among users who work with long reports, research papers, business documents, and large PDFs. One of Claude's biggest strengths is maintaining context during long conversations. It can process lengthy documents and provide detailed summaries, explanations, or improvements while keeping the overall meaning intact. Claude is also known for producing natural, well-structured writing. Many users prefer it for drafting essays, reports, professional documents, and other long-form content because the responses often require very little editing. Like ChatGPT, Claude can also help with coding, brainstorming, research, and answering questions. It supports free and paid plans, with premium subscriptions offering access to more powerful models and increased usage. So, which AI should you choose? If you're looking for an all-in-one AI assistant for content creation, coding, image generation, productivity, and everyday tasks, ChatGPT is an excellent option. If your work mainly involves reading long documents, writing detailed reports, or analyzing large amounts of text, Claude AI may be the better fit. At the end of the day, both AI assistants are among the best available in 2026. The right choice depends on your workflow and the features that matter most to you. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.